Welcome to Math Study Skills for Success. In this video, we will explore a variety of tips and strategies for being successful in your math course. Studying for a math course is different from studying for other courses. Lessons are cumulative. Math problems become more complex as the course progresses. You can't just get by memorizing facts, but rather you have to understand concepts. As you're working out the problem, ask yourself why you're taking this next step. For these reasons, it's common for students to spend more time on their math courses and possibly to experience anxiety about them. Keep a notebook. Because math courses are designed to start easy and gradually get harder, keeping track of your work in a notebook is crucial. Writing out your work neatly may help you avoid mistakes, and you'll have an organized place to reference during reviews and tests. Having a notebook will keep your focus on what you're capable of doing. Use textbook resources. Read or listen to the chapter prior to your seminar. One of the biggest problems students have when completing their math homework is that they don't read the text associated with that unit. Many students will quickly attempt to solve the math problems and give up when they can't see how to do it. But studying examples prior to each homework assignment will be a great starting point. You can't just study math by reading the book. You must do the homework. Practice, practice, practice. Your homework will provide ample problems for you to work on in your notebook. You may want to also write down a list of mathematical formulas. They are often listed in the chapter summary. Other textbook resources may include videos. Your live binder also contains videos, and you can access a library of videos in the Math Center page of PG Campus. Stick to a schedule. While studying a couple of hours before an exam in some academic subjects may be sufficient, math requires routine studying and daily learning. Many students have to spend more time on their math courses than they do in their other courses. What you learn one day builds on the previous lesson, so it is easy to fall behind if you miss a section. Put time in your schedule every day to do math, even if it's just half an hour. If you have a regular time built into your schedule, you may stay ahead of any deadlines. Actually doing math can be less painful than just thinking about doing it. According to a study done at the University of Chicago, the mere prospect of a math problem caused pain centers to light up in number-phobic brains. So rather than putting off your assignment and reacting, just plan some time in your schedule and respond with productive study habits. Use technology. Your textbook may indicate to use technology during your homework problems. However, they do not provide specific sites. There are many free online calculators. I like to use Desmos.com. In the description of this webinar, I provided you a link to other online calculators. If you're taking a statistics course, you'll be using Excel extensively. Introductory courses like MM150 or 305 will provide templates in Excel, whereas more advanced courses may require you to create your own template, a graph, use functions, or add the data analysis tool pack. Minimize distractions. Close your door. Use focus settings on devices to pause notifications, or play study music in the background to drown out other noises. While most music is distracting, classical music or study music can actually enhance your brain's ability to learn. Last but not least, talk about your learning. Find someone to study with. Researchers have found peer relationships are the most important influence in undergraduate education. Reach out to your instructor, family, friends, coworkers, or a tutor in our Academic Success Center. Math involves so many formulas and procedures that it can be difficult to remember everything. Discussing what you're learning reinforces concepts. When you explain a concept to someone else, you are 90% more likely to remember it. Rather than trying to memorize everything, explain the problem to someone to reinforce key concepts. You can take advantage of live tutoring at the Academic Success Center. We are here to help. Tutors are available Sunday through Thursday for live tutoring. You can knock on a tutor's door on Sundays from 6 to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, Mondays from 4 to 10, Tuesdays from 12 to 10, and Wednesdays and Thursdays from 6 to 10 p.m. Thank you for spending a few minutes today watching the Math Study Skills for Success presentation. We hope these tips and strategies will help you, and we look forward to seeing you in the Math Center.